Ooh. Okay, well here we are at the Best Western in Carlisle. We have Schindler MT here. I believe this is roof access up here. Oh, this leads to more rooms. Let's go down to one. These look like at one point these used to have long bar buttons. Oh god, that's a big jolt. This was installed in 1995. And yeah, this is not in the best condition. GAL door equipment. Severely on the level of the floor. Now let's listen to that jolt again, if it does it. Okay, now it wasn't so bad. Let's get a view. There's a view of ID1 up here. Ooh! Yeah, this thing isn't in the best condition at all. I'm gonna take one more ride on this, just because, yes. At least the lantern works, but no chime. Let's go down and two and see if there's a longboard button on here. This thing is bad. I'm now saying that this thing's going up. Let's just go down to one and end it off. Oh my god. Come on, just go down already. Ooh! Yeah, I'm getting off this thing. This thing needs help. There's your inspection ticket, which is expired. And that will be it.